Dear student, today we have to talk about or discuss about the chapter number 2 polynomial. Today we discuss about the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of a quadratic polynomial. I have already taught you what is quadratic polynomial. The standard form of the quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx and plus c. We know that the quadratic polynomial degree is 2. Therefore, this polynomial have two zeros. In your earlier classes, you have already know about the zeros of the polynomials. Suppose alpha and beta, we can represent one zero by alpha, another zero by beta are the two zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Then we have to find the relationship between zeros and the coefficient of quadratic polynomial. Here a is the coefficient, b is also coefficient, and c is the coefficient. So, and if alpha and beta are zeros, then the first relationship between the zeros and coefficient is alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha beta, that is equal to c upon a. Let us, we have to understand it by the one example here. Suppose we have a quadratic polynomial x square plus 3x and plus 2. Then first you will compare this quadratic polynomial with its standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Then you will get the coefficient, the value of the coefficient, that is a equal to 1 and b equal to 3 and c equal to 2. When we find the value of the coefficient, then in your class 9 you have already know that how we find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial by splitting method. So here x square plus 3x and plus 2. So you can see that a equal to 1, the value of a is 1 and c equal to 2. So first we find the product of these two. A means the coefficient of x square and c means the constant term. So we can find the product of these two. So we will get 1 into 2, that is 2. When we find the product of these two, we will get again 1 into 2. Now you can see that when we find the sum of these two factors, we will get 3. So 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3. So we can write here x square and plus in bracket 3 can be split as 2 plus 1 into x and plus 2. Now x square multiply x into the bracket, then we will get 2x plus 2x plus x and plus 2. Now make a pair. This is x square plus 2x first pair and x plus 2 is second pair. Now in first pair you can see that x is common, so we can take x as a common. So in bracket x and plus 2, and in second pair means x plus 2, we can see that there is no variable is common both the terms, so we can take 1 as a common. So 1 and in bracket x plus 2. So this became x plus 2 as a common, so we can take x plus 2 as a common. Then in another bracket x plus 1. So we get the two factors here, x plus 2 and x plus 1. If we consider that x plus 2 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 2. Take 2 from left to right, then its sign will be changed, that is minus 2. So this value is known as zeros and we can consider it as alpha. If we consider x plus 1 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 1, then this is your another zeros, so this will consider as beta. So you can see that when we find the zeros of this quadratic polynomial, we will get two zeros because the degree of the quadratic polynomial is 2. Now we want to verify the relationship. The relationship is, first relation is alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b upon a. So this became, put the value of alpha and beta and a and b. So on the place of alpha we can write here minus 2, and on the place of beta we can write here minus 1, and on the place of b we can write here minus we can write here 3 and the value of a is 1. Now solve it. So this became minus 2 and plus minus minus 1 and equal to minus 3 and upon 1. तो 1 को लिखना ज़रूरी नहीं है. So minus 2 minus 3 1, that is minus 3 equal to minus 3. So you can see that left hand side that equal to right hand side. Now we can verify another relationship, that is alpha beta that equal to c upon a. So on the place of alpha we can write here minus 2 and on the place of beta we can write here minus 1, that is equal to 2 upon 1. Now solve it, we will get 2 equal to 2, that is left hand side equal to right hand side. इसमें रिलेशनशिप वेरीफाई करने में ध्यान ये रखना है कि आपको पहले कंपेयर करना है गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल को उसके स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म से. देन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ द कोफिशिएंट दैट इज ए बी एंड सी and then you can remember these two relationship, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a and alpha beta equal to c upon a, where alpha and beta are zeros and you have to find the zeros like this. आपको इस तरह से स्प्लिटिंग मेथड से जीरोज फाइंड करना है और उसके बाद इस रिलेशनशिप को वेरीफाई करना है. यू कैन सी दिस वीडियो एंड ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. इफ एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन आस्क टू मी.